Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. It's kind of hard to see me, but in this video here, we're basically going to discuss how to doll up your tail lights on here for cheap down low, because the tail lights on this Honda are super hard to find. Here we go, now we finally got some light at a cheap price. They're way up there, but they're between like $300 and up. It's ridiculous on the price. So I basically just wanted to give it more of a blacked out look on the side. Chi-Chi. And that's Chi-Chi's trying to run off over here. So that's basically what this video is just showing me, trying to doll up the side there to make it look a little bit better. Thanks for watching.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
You like some masking tape and run it on the tail light in the areas like where you would want to put the vinyl and make you like a template. So I just kept running masking tape and running it into the areas where I wanted it, and then I peeled that off, laid it on some vinyl, and then I cut it out. And then you have and then on the other side, basically what you do is you take your template and just flip it around. That way it'll be opposite, and that's all we did. And to my opinion, it looks pretty freaking good.
It sound right, boys.
The other thing I want to mention is I put vinyl in a place where it didn't cover up anything important. Like, it didn't cover up no brake lights, no blinkers, no backup lights, all that. It was basically just covering up the side piece of this tail light that was just chrome, no purpose to it. So I believe if an inspection station or a cop or anything like that seen this, you're not going to get pulled over, because you're really not blacking out the tail lights or covering up anything of importance. You're just kind of adding a little black trim around the side. And I think you could even paint it if you wanted to get away with it. But we just did the vinyl right now just to see how well it looked and how it turned out. But yeah, I might just paint them black later just to kind of give it a better, unique type tail light look. And then they won't even know.
It sound right, boy.
What? Self-explanatory. As far as, like, you know, if you on a budget and you just want to try to make your taillights look a little different than everybody else's, this is basically all this is. Nothing spectacular about it. There's people making custom taillights and all that all over the place, but you're going to pay for it, you know, $4.99 up. So, anyway, this is just a cheap way to, I'm trying to black out the whole car, and from the side, you could just see too much chrome. And, you know, I'd rather have blacked out taillights or something like that, but we're just going to go for this way for now to keep it super cheap. Anyway, I'll leave a couple of pictures at the end here so you kind of see what it looked like outside from the side and from like a 45-degree angle. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully y'all had some good holidays. We still got more holidays to come. And as always, keep it simple, keep it sweet.